In today's video, I'll show you how to create stunning images using text prompts inside Microsoft Edge browser. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss this. Open your Microsoft Edge browser, search for Bing Image Generator, click on the first link and you land on this page. Log in using your Microsoft account. So if you click on any one of the images, you'll see the text prompt used to generate this image. Microsoft Image Creator generates AI images using DALL-E 3. DALL-E 3 is the latest text-to-image generation model by Microsoft. In your Microsoft Image Creator, you will be granted 15 boosted image generations. After these 15 boosted image generations expire, so your generations speed will be considerably slow. Your images will be stored up to 90 days. It works best when you are highly descriptive. So get creative, add details like adjectives, location, even artistic styles like digital art, photorealistic, Pixar style, or animation, or watercolors, anything. So they have given an example prompt also. Original prompt is astronaut. It's very vague. And descriptive prompt could be a close-up photo of an astronaut in glowing suit made up of plasma as if galaxies inside of it, putting on their helmet, but you can't see their face because of the visor. Realistic film stock, bright color. See how descriptive the prompt is. So if you run out of the boost, you have option to use Microsoft rewards to redeem additional boosts and enjoy faster processing times. You use this Microsoft Creator and other things listed here, so you will get reward points which can be redeemed. So let's get going creating something. A boy 16-year-old in white t-shirt and red cargo pants walking outside a mansion from Harry Potter movie, 70s film. So let us see. Great. So it has generated 4 images. So this one looks best out of the 4. So we can, now what we'll do is we'll modify this. So I have changed the prompt. A boy 16-year-old in white t-shirt and red cargo pants driving a car outside a mansion from Harry Potter movie. Oil painting. Let's see. So each generation costs 1 boost. Oh yeah, it looks like it's a painting. Great. So I have created some other creations which are a portrait of a man in casual shorts and flower print t-shirts walking down the street, wet street at night. So if I click here, so either you can save this to your collections, you can download this image, or you can click on customize. So now you will see the magic. I'll click on customize. It will open Designer app by Microsoft. So this is an alternative to Canva. It can do a lot of things for you. You can find various kinds of banners and other things. It's a free alternative to Canva. See, presentations, resumes and other things. If I go back, this was my creation, and if I click here. If you are finding this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's continue. If I click on text, now I can add a text also. Okay, then see, you can add certain visuals if you want. See, so this is how you can use Microsoft Bing Image Creator.